Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's episode is a little bit special. I'm going to be doing a video which is going to talk about some of the questions which I have been receiving for the Baseus W3 wireless earbuds. So there's going to be talking about some of the remedies for some of the issues you could face. So let's get into it right now. So question number one, which I actually get a lot, is what if the case is not charging? So there's a few things you can do. First one is that you could try to use a different micro USB. And the next question which I get very frequently is, Johnny, I've done everything, but it's not helping at all. The last thing you should do if you get this is that you've tried all the steps, contact the seller or contact the Baseus reseller and try to get a possible replacement or ask them to send it in for repair. Alright, so this has actually been my personal sharing on how to actually rectify some of the issues you face with the Baseus W3 wireless earbud. I hope that it has actually helped you. If it did, it would be great if you could actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, share this content with your friends who are facing similar issues, and hopefully it can actually help them. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!